Well, hello. This is my own laptop, and the thing doesn't start up anymore. I'm gonna push the power button. Hey. Yeah. Power button is coming on. Caps lock is on. Escape, but I can push them whatever I want, but they're not responding at all. No picture. And when I have to turn it on, I have to hold it down. So let's open it up and see what's the problem. It is always easier to open a laptop on other videos. No hidden screws. Well, some clips broke off, but the laptop is open. There's nothing obvious to see. I first check for shortages on the power supplies, and before that I disconnect the battery. I removed the BIOS backup battery. It can be corrupt BIOS memory. The voltage in the battery is 3.2 volts, so that's enough. So let's connect the battery again and see if it starts up again. It's hard to see on camera, but the caps lock is going on and off. Look at this. We had a BIOS problem. So we have to reset the BIOS and it's working again. Great. Happy me. Now I only have to put it back together again. Sorry it will say easy pizza, but sometimes repair is nothing more than this. Thank you for watching. And it's starting up. And we have a picture. So I only needed to reset the BIOS. Then the laptop is working again.